one has ever seen the Jasmine Spirit, but they say she has lived in the jasmine trees of Damascus for thousands of years. And just when Haron closes his eyes to take his precious nap beside the fountain, something very strange happens. A stem of jasmine starts growing out of his nose. What is this? His very own jasmine tree? What a disaster! Haron starts sneezing and just can't stop. The Jasmine Spirit has put a spell on Haron, so that every time he tries to sleep, another jasmine stem grows out of his nose. Sleep is impossible with all the jasmine creeping from his nose. It sends him into a fit of sneezes. Haron tries his hardest to pull the stems out, but that only makes his sneezes louder. He thinks that the flowers might hate cold water as much as he does, so he jumps into the water fountain, only to find out Jasmine loves water and grows even more. Haron hears